Hey everybody, I just installed a new security camera at my house and it's got some pretty neat features, but I'm starting this video. I'm just walking down the street here. It's about 7 o'clock at night. As you can see, it's dark. Street lights are on. Dark shadows here. It's hard to see between the houses, hard to see the cars. It's just dark. So I'm standing here and I'm going to wave to you. This is my security cam that I've had for the longest time. Here I am waving. It goes into night mode, and at night mode the infrared lights come on and it goes into black and white mode, and it's so you can see farther at night. You can't see much detail. It's 1080. So you know, it's kind of the standard for a long time, and I just recently got a new one. So on that side of my house is the camera that you're looking at now, and over here is the camera that I just installed, and I want to show you the difference. So I'm just gonna continue to walk down the road here, and you can see how, again, how dark it is. And there's the house, and I'm gonna wave, and I think you can probably see the difference between the two cameras. I mean, full color. I mean, you know, here on my phone, you know, it's night, look. And when we switch over and we go to the camera up there, I mean, how can you say broad daylight any better? And with motion sensors, when somebody comes up between the cars, it gets even more daylight. I mean, can you beat it? This is called the HikVision camera. It's called the ColorVu HikVision, HikVision, and ColorVu, ColorVu. The cameras are about $200 a piece. They're at Nelly's Security, is where I got mine and get a lot of my equipment. And but I mean, can you see? I mean, well worth it. You know, as I walk up here toward my cars, I mean, you can see, you know, turn around, look here, it's dark, and that's what it looks like from the back. So, you know, make your decision. If you have, you know, a need for some night security, I don't think you can beat it right now. So give it a look. It's at nellysecurity.com.